Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to download GNS3 on a M1 Mac. First of all, I'll go to the GNS3 download page. I'll put this link on description, but it may change actually. So you may want to Google GNS3 download for M1 Mac. So when you get onto this page, you gotta log in. If you don't have an account, just sign up. Download, click the download. I already downloaded the file. It's a DMG file. It's pretty easy to open it. Let's go to my desktop. This is the file. I'll double click it, copy it to applications. Okay, it's copied. I heard the voice. And what I've got to do is to run the setup. Must be moved the application. When I copied the application folder, it already installed GNS3, so you don't have to double click it. Just go to the launch page and open the GNS3. This is in Turkish, but you can just call this open. You can trust GNS3, I guess. It's done. You got a GNS3 on our M1 Mac. Root permission to interact with the network interfaces. So you gotta give root permission our UBridge plugin, so the GNS3 can actually access to our network ports. When I say yes, I've gotta write my local password for this one. Connecting to server. Let's create a test project. Okay. I've got the 8 GB version, but I've got an M1. As you can see, the RAM is actually not enough for the GNS3. Let's just add C7200 to our GNS3 to test it, okay? Then I'll create a new template. You can't not use these options because the M1 is not supporting the GNS3 virtual machine, so you only have the manually created templates. I'll click the manually create a new template, then click the next. This is the page that we do the configuration. I'll choose IS routers because it's a router, and browse the image file. It's in the desktop. This is our image file. I found it on the internet, but I don't know if it's pirate or something like that, so you gotta buy it from Cisco. I'm just gonna use this as a tester. Maybe even free. Open it. Would you like to copy that? I've done this before, so got a configuration on the directory. But I'll say no. Click the next. The name is default. I'll assign the default RAM because I already don't have enough RAM for the entire GNS. You can choose the slots from here. I'll stick with the defaults. Idle PC. Let's find idle for our router. As I said, you can only run the local host templates because it doesn't support virtual GNS3. Still, it works pretty fine. I tested before. It may take some while, so you gotta wait. Well, I couldn't find an idle because I think the problem was about the image, so I'll just pass it. The idle is actually to prevent the using the CPU 100%, but I don't think it's actually possible for M1. But if you use the original image, you'll probably find an idle. Finished. Okay. Now it's time to test it. Start it. Make a console connection. Like let's put another router in here. Connect them. You gotta use switch if you wanna make more connection between the routers, like, because those guys only have one port. I don't know why. In default, you may add extra ports later. For now, I'll just test the connections. Okay. Start. As you can see, it actually starts very fast. Like, I'll console this one. This one probably already opened, but I want you to see that how fast it actually opens. It uses pretty much CPU. Yep, it worked. Now you got a GNS3 router on our M1 Mac. Let's just change the host name to test. Okay. I will just make some ping. Okay. First, let's ping ourselves. It's not working because I didn't know SHA-2. I didn't know SHA-2 the interface. So no SHA-2 interface. No SHA-2. And let's ping it again. Yep, ping success, and it's extremely fast. Like, the M1 is rocking. Okay, it's really fast. When they handle with the virtualization problem, I believe that GNS3 will be way more stable and way more better on the M1 Mac. That was it from me. Thanks for watching.